Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2023 IPSY GLAM BAG PLUS unboxing. I am very excited that we are into a whole new year of beauty subscriptions and that they seem to be arriving kind of early for me this month because I already got my IPSY GLAM BAG and my BoxyCharm base box, and I got a notification that my BoxyCharm premium box is on its way as well. So I subscribe to all of the IPSY and BoxyCharm subscriptions, and I do not get them in PR. I pay for all of them myself. And so the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus that I'm going to be unboxing today is the middle tier, or I guess most expensive monthly IPSY subscription. And gosh, what am I paying for this now? Probably like $30 at least. I subscribe to multiple months at a time, so I'm not sure exactly what it comes out to monthly, but it's usually good value. But what I love most about the GLAM BAG Plus is that you get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products. So that way it's much more customized to me compared to the other beauty subscriptions, especially compared to the regular IPSY GLAM BAG where I only get to choose one of my products. But let's go ahead and get into this. I never remember what I actually chose for my GLAM BAG Plus, so I feel like I'm going into this being completely surprised. This is a very cute bag this month. I love floral. 2023 is the year of my wedding, and I am all about the flowers for my wedding, for my shower. It's literally a flower shower. So I am really loving the floral here. But okay, let's see what I've got in here. I feel like this is a very loaded up bag. Oh yeah, and I always get like these little cards, but it doesn't have product information. And you know what? I'm pretty sure last time I unboxed my IPSY GLAM BAG Plus, I didn't go through the retail value and all of that, and I don't think anyone cared because it's just so much harder to figure out the retail value when I don't get the product information on the card. There is a great IPSY app, but that's a lot of extra steps to figure out retail value, and I don't think anyone cares, and I don't think I mind either, because I actually have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day, and that's where I do more research on the products. I figure out the retail value, I do swatches, tutorials, so that's why I'm not doing any of that in this unboxing video, but soon I'll be doing that for all of the makeup products in this glam bag and all of my beauty subscriptions. So just let me know if there's anything you are really excited for me to try out first. Let's go ahead and see what I got in here. Ooh, okay. First I'm pulling out a palette, which is a great first product to pull out. This is from the brand Me Show Beauty, which I am not very familiar with. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, pretty, but not too exciting. Like, these are colors that I definitely like to use, but you know, the packaging, the layout, this is just not making me very excited to look at it or to try it. I mean, I love trying out eyeshadow palettes, but something about this, it's just, you know, it's just not as exciting as I would normally be for an eyeshadow palette. But this will be a good product for me to try out in that dedicated review video very soon. Next, ooh, KVD Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. Okay, I love trying out foundations, and I actually have tried out from KVD a foundation powder before. That didn't work out very well for me, but a foundation balm sounds really interesting. It sounds different, and it sounds like I might like it better than their foundation powder. I'm hopeful. It looks like a really good shade for me. Yay, and this is very pretty packaging. I love that I've got 2 makeup products so far and 2 of my favorite types of makeup products to get, because that's what I prefer to get in my glam bag. Makeup rather than any other skincare, hair care, anything like that. Ooh, okay, now this is what I'm talking about with an exciting eyeshadow packaging. It's from the brand Winky Lux. It's the Latte Kitten palette. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Winky Lux makes the cutest products. I love Winky Lux. And so let's look at this eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. And you know, it's once again more like neutral shades, but a lot of shimmer, which is exciting and really pretty. And this just has me so much more excited to play around with it. It's funny how I got like one of the most beautifully packaged eyeshadow palettes and one of the most boring, honestly, packaged eyeshadow palettes in the same bag. But yay, I love growing my Winky Luxe makeup collection. So this is going to be so exciting to try. Next, I've got, oh my gosh, I just pulled out another palette, this time from the brand Kaleido Cosmetics. Kaleido. I don't think I've tried out much from this brand. It seems a little familiar. Skin Luminate Superfine Luminous Blush Palette. Ooh. I'm picky with my blush colors, so when I get a blush palette, it can be a little bit better because I can mix colors. I've got more options. So let's see what the colors look like in here. Ooh, pretty. They look all very similar though. Like normally I would expect a blush palette to have very different shades, but these do kind of look like the shades that I prefer, like more of like a peachy, like bronzer mixed with blush type of shade, and that's what especially these two colors are looking like. So this seems very promising to me. Big pans, and they look like they might have a little bit of shimmer glow to them too, which I love for a blush. Wow, this is a really great IPSY Glam Bag Plus so far. I've got one more product in here, and it is, oh my gosh, what a great product to end on. It's from Tarte. I love getting Tarte products in my beauty subscriptions because it's a pricey brand and I often purchase it on my own, but I love when I can save money and get it in IPSY or BoxyCharm. And this here is the Tarte C H2O Balm Lip Tint. Oh my gosh, this is like the month of tinted lip balms. I got 2 in my BoxyCharm base box and then another one here, but I love a tinted lip balm, so I'm not mad about that. This looks really nice. I got it in the shade Retreat. Oh my gosh, I got all makeup products and all really exciting types of makeup products, like my favorite types of products to get. Lots of palettes, a lip. I'm going to do a recap, but I'm so happy because I feel like I'm starting out the year with one of the best IPSY Glam Bag Pluses that I've gotten. All right, so I got the Winky Luxe Latte Kitten Palette, the Tarte H2O Balm, the Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Luminate Blush Palette, the KVD Foundation Balm, and the Misho Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, I can't wait to try out every single one of these. So if you've tried any of them, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think. And I would love to hear what you got in your January 2023 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I hope you love your bag as much as I love mine. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.